I've taken my truck bed coating and I've used it on one of my front shocks covers right here. And then I want to show you what else I've used it on. Now it's the first time I've used this, so I don't know if it'll really work. And I got called into work. Here's the other one right here. You can see the difference between, I don't know if you can see the difference between this painted nice complete truck rubber and all the mess of the cargo box holder here. Those two other pieces I have done. I've done this piece right here. I put a bunch of it on there. See if I can bring it over here into the sun a little bit better. I've gone up around the bottoms, see, about an inch, and then around these edges, and then I've double coated this with this Duplicolor truck bed coating. Now the bed coating has gone on pretty good. The trick is, will it last for a season? If it does, then it's got my seal of approval. So that's this piece. Now there's two other pieces I'm going to show you here. This is the battery cover, which had this little square, I don't know if you can see it, I'll show it to you. This had this little square sticker on it. Now I don't know if you can see the outline of the sticker, the decal as it was down in here. But if you can run your hands over where the decal was and feel a depression or ridges, that's what you're going to see in the paint. So I did the same thing here. I went around the outside edges, around here, put the truck bed, get out of there. Got to buy another bottle of that crap anyway. It's going to cost me another 11 bucks. Alright, I did that, and then one more piece I did was this is the, I call it the front moped nipple right here, because it kind of looks like a big booby. And what I've done with it, I put a bunch of the truck bed lining on it all the way around the edges here. And then up in here where the wheel is, it's really not going to matter because it goes like that, and that's the front. And as long as the sides look okay, that'll look all right. So I'm going to let this dry up here. The next thing I'll need to do is either this, which is going to take a lot of sanding, and you want to take out your little rubber piece that's in here before you start to sand. And then I'll do the, I'll take out these 4 bolts that hold the racing use only dealie, and then I'll probably take out this clip, and I will sand this up and paint it right there to match. And you can see where, I don't know if you can see the difference. This rubberized is kind of a more granular look, but you know, that's fine. If it's a little bit more grainy and it kind of hides some of the years of wear, why not? You can see where it's already starting to come off right there. Here, and like I said, it comes off the edge. That's the old original color after, I don't know, 25 years. So I'll get this piece done, I'll get this piece done, and then I have to do the headlight instrument cluster and the rear fender, which is all part of the gas tank, and I don't know when I'll get to that. So Project Dio it's getting closer and closer. As soon as I get this done, we'll get the frame cleaned up. I'll get my wiring looms cleaned up. Replace the wheels or balance them with, this is the wheel balancer I bought right here. That's the front, no, that's the rear wheel of the Dio. And of course I've got wheel weights right down there. I got Les Schwab. So things are coming together slowly but surely. I just got called into work. I'm kind of on call. I'm kind of like a doctor, but I get paid a lot less. A whole lot less. And I think it's going to work out pretty good. It's granular, but as long as it hides everything and it's uniform, that's all that matters to me. If it makes the blue panels that I have with this granular look and it makes them smoother by contrast, then that's all the better. Well, little by little, day by day, and spring is here in Washington State. I just got my sprinklers working. Got some flowers. Wife likes those stupid things. I got my blackberry bush that I've been trying to grow for years. She's got raspberries. I'm gonna put some ground clear on that. I hate those damn things. But this is my blackberry. I'll tell you what. Good blackberries from this state or Oregon are the best in the planet. And I got a bunch of flowers growing back there. I don't know what the hell they're doing, but I'm going to start growing Walla Walla sweet onions because, well, that's where they grow them. And watermelons and